Hello all. Um, as part of implementation of STTM demographic domain, so we'll see some other variables. For example, we can also work on DMDT, DTH, DTC, and then we can also work DTHFL. So today we will discuss about the two variables, which is DTH, DTC, and DTHFL. Okay, so I have written all the variables in my previous video. So we can go through all the variables. Okay, and I already explained some of the variables, two of the variables from my past video also. You can, if anybody missed, then please go through my video and please subscribe my videos, my video channel also, the YouTube channel also. Thank you. So the part of explanation of the DTH DTC. So what do you mean by DTH DTC means death, date, and time, which is nothing but death, date, and time. Death, date, and time. And it is always ISO format, IS 8601 format. Okay. And it is always character data type. It is always character data type. Okay. So how do we populate this DTH DTC means death date? Usually during the clinical trial, there is a chance that subject may be died death, during the clinical trial study. So in this case, what we have to do is we have to populate the when the subject was the death, when the subject was the death. So the date would be populated. The date could be populated. So where do you populate means in general we will get the CRF page. So based on the CRF page, so we can get the data. So usually, so the data will be collected on the CRF page for end of the study or end form subject status. Okay, for example, disposition. So the disposition domain will give us status of the subject, whether the subject is completed the study or withdrawn from the study. If the subject is completed the study, what was the date? And if there is any reason, for example, here is the reason. So we'll get the date, death date. If there is any death, so we can see the death. So based on that one, we can populate the death date, DTH DTC. So there is a chance that so we can populate the death date from the disposition domain or status of the subject. And so usually you can actually get the status of the subject. Status of the subject. So when the subject is not completed the study, so which is nothing but the disposition. So we can actually get it from the disposition. So which is nothing but disposition. Okay, disposition is the chance. And then we can also populate another way the death date from the AE domain, adverse event related data. So where we required AE end date, we required where the AE out equals to A out equals to, we need to get the death. It is also one of the possibility that we can able to populate the death date. Okay, and what do you mean by death flag means the when the death is occurs or when the death was happened in the trial, for example, then we have to populate the value as, so this one label is subject death flag, subject death flag. The values will be for flags always in STTM capital Y or capital N. Okay, so when the death was happened, then we need to populate that subject that record as Y. When the DTH DTC not equals to missing, then you can populate death flag equals to Y. Or when we are doing the mapping, so you can do the whatever the techniques you are available. You can do it. So usually when the death was occurred, sorry, when the death was happened, then we can actually populate the death flag as Y. Okay, so in order to, when the death date is not available, we know that subject is death, then the time also we have to populate the death flag as Y. So I'll give you small one task so we can able to actually, so do it. So here is the uh, death related one small task I have created. So what we do is assume that this is the demographic data like patient and gender, and assume that this is the disposition data set or status of the subject, whether the subject is completed the study or not completed the study. So here 101 subject is completed the study, 102 is the death and 103 is the completed. So suppose if you take the task here, so PT will be renaming as subject ID, and we need to filter wherever the term is death. We can filter if of case of term equals to death, then output. So you will get 102 subject. So you 102 you merge with the DM data set. Then you'll get the this is the one. So again, so if we have death date is found, then death flag will be Y. So this is how we actually create a death date and death flag. So according to IG implementation guide also, so we can see all the variables from the IG. So here is the specification for IG, where we can see these two variables are record qualifiers. Okay, so DTH, DTC, and DTHFL, date and time of the death, and subject death flag. So date, time of the death for any subject who died in ISO 8601 format, and it should be represented date and time when this captured on the clinical trial database. And we have to populate as a Y when the death is Y, and then null values. So when there's no death, and we have to populate when the death was there and the date was not the date was not found. So then we have to populate death flag also Y. So this is about the current the variable DTH, DTC, and DTHFL. Thank you so much for viewing my videos, and please subscribe my videos. Thank you so much.